This is how the Hadza people find drinking water in the wild. No bottles, no filters, just thousands of years of ancestral knowledge. While most of us panic without running water, the Hadza can smell it beneath dry earth. They stop, they squat, and they dig. With nothing but a sharpened stick and instinct. In the middle of a scorching savanna, they uncover what seems impossible. Water, slowly rising from the soil. It's not clean by our standards, but for them, it's life. They filter it with leaves, or sometimes just a cloth. And here's the wildest part. They can even drink from the same spot as their dogs. No hesitation, no fear, just trust in nature and the bond they share. Would you survive a single day in their world? No GPS, no Wi-Fi, no water bottles. Just courage, community, and the wild. Please subscribe, comment your thoughts about the Hadza tribe.